The world has been left in awe by the latest addition to America's fleet, the giant aircraft carrier. The Gerald R Ford Class carrier is the largest and most advanced carrier in the world, capable of carrying over 75 aircraft and powered by one Bechtel A1B reactor. This impressive vessel is a testament to America's military might and technological prowess, and has left many wondering what the future holds for naval warfare. You may have heard that there is no easy way to sink an aircraft carrier. In our case, there is almost no way to sink a modern U.S. Navy carrier. These expensive and advanced military ships are deployed and operate in every ocean around the globe. That means it's really crucial for the U.S. Navy to protect them from potential threats. That's why they are built and deployed in a way that makes it almost impossible to sink such a vessel. Without further ado, let's see how this is achieved. Considering that the U.S. Navy is the biggest in the world, it's clear that it operates the most advanced and capable aircraft carriers. Hello everyone, welcome to the TechNow channel. The American Navy has a total of 11 active aircraft carriers. However, many people wrongly consider amphibious assault ships as aircraft carriers, which is why they believe there are more than 11. The U.S. Navy's greatest carriers are the Nimitz Class and the Gerald R Ford Class. The Nimitz Class carriers have sailed since 1975 and are currently the second biggest carriers worldwide, only falling short of the Gerald R Ford Class that holds the record for the biggest aircraft carrier in 2021. It's capable of carrying over 75 aircraft and is powered by one Bechtel A1B reactor. The Gerald R Ford Class carrier is the worthy successor of the Nimitz Class, with a single reactor that is more convenient and powerful, and the vessel is equipped with advanced systems and an array of modern features. Although these two carriers are considered the best in the world, the United Kingdom and Japan also operate excellent carriers like the Queen Elizabeth Class and the Shinano, respectively. The role of an aircraft carrier is pretty important. It's really a floating base that helps the Navy operate an aerial attack everywhere in the world. Their contribution in tactical and strategic missions is very significant and many times decisive. Their purposes in battle can vary and mainly depend on the capabilities of each ship. Considering how dangerous this type of vessel could be on the battlefield, they would be big targets on the water. Such ships are unsurprisingly very expensive to develop and build. For example, the latest Ford-class carriers cost almost $12 billion each. Besides that, operating costs aren't cheap either. It's estimated that the most advanced carriers of the U.S. Navy cost over $1 billion annually to operate. Taking into account the protection plan of these ships is really important to the navies of all nations. That's why the U.S. Navy has invented the Carrier Strike Group, which contains an aircraft carrier and usually a cruiser, a bunch of destroyers and frigates, submarines, and other auxiliary ships. The Carrier Strike Group is one of the most powerful naval fleets compositions that operates in the 21st century. To see how hard it is to really sink a carrier, let's imagine a hypothetical scenario between a Carrier Strike Group and an enemy fleet. First of all, let's assume that an enemy aircraft or ship tries to attack the carrier. The carrier's first move would be to deploy the air wing, meaning that the F/A-18 and F-35 fighter jets will destroy every possible danger before it gets close enough to attack. The F-35 has especially advanced systems and is very efficient in battle. But if the air wing, for some reason, can't neutralize the danger and the enemy gets closer, then it's time for the rest of the carrier group to take on the challenge. The nuclear-powered submarines in combination with the powerful destroyers like the Arleigh Class can detect and eliminate everything that threatens the fleet in an impressive perimeter. Equipped with a variety of armaments, these vessels can destroy any possible threat. Plus, the auxiliary ships are always there to support and supply the front line. In addition, carriers are designed with a complex system of watertight compartments that can be sealed off in case of damage, preventing water from flooding the entire ship. This allows carriers to stay afloat and continue operating even if they sustain significant damage. Overall, sinking a modern U.S. Navy carrier is an extremely difficult task, and the Carrier Strike Group provides multiple layers of defense to protect these valuable and expensive assets. It is a testament to the advanced technology and capabilities of the U.S. Navy, and highlights the importance of naval power projection in global affairs.